New Year! It's hard to believe, but it's January 2025 already, and I want to wish everybody a happy and healthy new year and all the best for 2025. Now, let's take a quick look and break down December and what happened in the real estate market. As of today, there are 13 active listings in Clanton Park. 3 sales in the month of December. So it's 4.3 months of inventory on paper, but really December is a quieter month for sales as we see. Although November sales had bumped up quite a bit, still expect December to be a little bit quiet with 3 sales. Not too bad. So that months of inventory is a little bit skewed, but average sale price, 1.8 million, 13 days on market and 96% price to list, which means that things are selling a little bit below what the asking prices are. Let's take a look down in the Manor and then we can summarize this. Similar sort of numbers, 12 active listings, 2 sales in the month, so 6 months of inventory, 40 days on market, which that's creeping up there. We don't see that high usually. 96% of list price again, and $1.4 million sales price. So these two numbers very similar in a way. It's December, so it's a tricky month to use for stats. Like I said, November was up year over year from the year before in terms of transactions, which gave some glimmer and some hope. Interest rates went down again. So we've seen that trend happening. I think as we come into the new year, these first couple weeks of January, we're going to start to see more inventory coming to the market. And I think sales are going to start to pick up as well. I think the buyer demand is there. The confidence is starting to come back for buyers given the shifts in interest rates. And I think that's going to make a huge difference. I also think some of the changes that quietly came into effect in December are also going to make a change, especially in our neighborhoods here, like this limit and cap on CMHC moving from $1 million to $1.5 million. I did a couple videos on that a little while back, but now somebody can buy a bungalow for $1.2 million or $1.3 million that needs renovations, put less money down, take a mortgage with only 5% down, and use some cash to do renovations and updates to that house to make it a livable house. So that changes sort of the market on these lower end bungalows that need some work. And it's not just people looking to build or builders that can buy those now. There are some end users that can buy them and keep them as bungalows and do some updates. So I think that could have a big effect on the bungalow market as well. We'll have to wait and see. Time will tell. But that's what happened in December. It'll be interesting to see as we do a year-end review, which we'll do, how things shaped up. But I think overall, 2024 was an interesting year in real estate. We ended pretty well, and I think 2025, we're going to start to see the pace pick up a little bit. Prices, I think, will do well. We're not going to see crazy shifts, but I think we'll be positive, and I think 2025 is going to be a great year. Check below. There's a button there. We want to know what your real estate goals are. So click it, put in your real estate goals. Let us know how we can help over the course of the year, whether it's you or family or somebody you know, so we can be here to help and support you with all your real estate needs. Happy New Year. All the best. Talk to you soon.